If you're ever in Singapore and you want to try some local food, definitely check out the hawker centers, which are spread throughout the island, and you can find a lot of options from the Singaporean food, Malay food. You can find Chinese, Indian food, and it's all amazing. It's a place where you can eat on a budget and still be able to get all your full meals from breakfast, lunch, and dinner. These hawker centers are usually located throughout the island. Most of the time, they're very close to the apartment complexes. So, like here, you can see there are some apartment complexes nearby here, or even the train station. So, definitely try it out and see how it is. So, for today, I'm going to take you to one of the hawker centers in my neighborhood so that you can get a feel for what the food options are like and the cost. So, and then we'll be able to tell if it's maybe cheaper to eat in a hawker center versus maybe even preparing food at home. So let's do it. All right, so the way things work here, you do have these escalators that take you upstairs. And so we're downstairs is the wet market. And then when you go upstairs, upstairs is where you find the food court, where you can essentially have food that's very delicious. And there's also places where they're selling clothes. So you get everything essentially all in one. So you can see just going upstairs and all of a sudden you're in the clothes section. But we go to the food court. But right now it's Ramadan. And because of Ramadan, lots of things are closed because they don't eat during the day. And so that's why you see a lot of these things here are closed. But this is the food court. And you can see here in the food court, you can actually get like, this is Malay food, which looks very delicious. Very delicious food. These food courts are very clean. You can see it's dry, it's clean. There's a tray area where you can return your plates and cups and spoons. The tables are dry and nicely cleaned, mostly because right now there are not many people, but even if there are people, you will all find the place to be very clean. Yes, you can see here these are some of the desserts that they're going to be selling at the store over here. So this is one of the hawker stalls. Very nice. Folks are lining up to get their meal. So this place is super clean, it's super organized, as you can see. Actually, on each stall there is a letter right here. There's a letter for cleanliness and food hygiene, and you can see these stalls one by one. They're graded letter A, which means they're really clean. They're exceptional, essentially, And so it's not a surprise that you can see like this one, which is a spinach soup. One has a queue, people, and you can go around and around, and you can see here like most people really come here and they order their foods and they eat from here. And yeah, people here in Singapore prefer to come and order the meals here and eat instead of going to cook at home. Yeah, here they have all the goat specialties. So from the ribs to the tongue to the brain to the stomach, everything. And you can see the cooking happening in the background there. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so you can see here I can get a braised duck rice set for $4.30, or Kway Teow meal, which is noodles with some soup and some duck meat, $3.80. And it's a full meal. And so here you essentially kind of line up and you get to order what you want, which is very good stuff, and it's very cheap compared to other options in the big restaurants. So over here I can order some meat, skewers for a couple cents a piece. So you can see here it's like pork is 80 cents, chicken is 80 cents a piece, and they're very yummy. Here is another noodles. And it has noodle soups or dry noodles. And this one, it's rated A, and it is considered like the best in food in Singapore, 2022. So in this stall, you can essentially get like a curry fish head, or you can do a buffet, like a mix of 2 vegetables, 1 meat for $3.50. Which is a good deal for Singapore. And it's very nice. It's rated A, which for cleanliness and food hygiene, so it's pretty cool. It's a very good deal. And so they have different things. You can have pork soup, chicken soup, seafood, and it ranges in price, but you can see here like different price, different foods essentially here that you get to choose from, like a buffet. And you can get it for as cheap as, $3.50, but I can see something that's even $1.30. Oh, you see, very good. And you can see here the hello biryani, $6.50. No biryani today? Later. Oh, so what do you have right now?
No, but roti jala, chicken beef.
Chicken beef?
Roti jala.
Roti jala. Ah, roti jala, chicken and beef. Okay. Interesting. Have you tried this roti jala, chicken beef?
Chicken beef.
Is it good?
Nice.
Very nice? You want to try? Is it a dessert or it's what is it? Is it the main meal or dessert? Is it sweet or what?
No, not sweet.
Oh, you have to have it with gravy. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a chicken gravy. Ah. Oh, wow. That's amazing. That looks very good. Yeah, I want to try. I want to try the chicken curry, the chicken roti jala. Yeah? Yes, we can have here.
One?
Just one. Thank you. Okay, so I just got my roti jala, chicken curry, roti jala. So I'm gonna try it and see how it is. All right, so I'm having this meal here, which is the roti jala chicken and curry. This is for $4.50, and you can see it's essentially a pretty nice meal. It has an egg, it has a patty which is very thick, and 1 piece of chicken and some curry sauce. It's actually filling. This could be like a meal, either a lunch or even a dinner if you wanted. Just for $4.50. So how do you make this one? This is what?
Gravy curry.
No, no,
Chicken curry.
but this
Oh,
the
that one is plain flour.
plain flour. Oh, okay. I figured out because it doesn't have a taste. No taste. So what is the orange color?
That one is called the bacon.
No. The orange color for this
They
one.
put egg
Egg. The yellow.
and yellow color also.
The yellow color. So there's coloring, and then there's an egg and flour, and then you just make this and milk.
Curry is
Ah, very good. And it's roti jala. Very good. Very good. So this is what they call tapao. Tapao to go. So they've given us the roti jala with the curry sauce in a bag, and then they pack it there, and then we're good to go. Thank you very much. Here's another stall with the food. You can see like it starts like with the nasi lemak at $4, and then all the way to the nasi ambeg at $7. So you can get different food. You mix it up. It's almost like a buffet, of veggies, meats, rice. Very, very, very good. Sorry. And so it's very good food here. And it's only from $4 to $7, depending on what you want. So this is Malay cuisine. And as you can see, they're preparing in the background over there. And then they have everything presented for you to pick and choose. So you can also do a buffet. So that's how it's done. Oh. So this is how they bring in the food. You can see that they probably prepared it at home, and then they're bringing it in preparation for opening their stall later in the day. So yeah, this is how it's done, and it's very clean, very organized. So it's very good. Let's see what we get here. So there is different types, from the refrigerated stuff, to this lime juice, to teas and coffees,
Tea masala.
all sorts of things. Nice and cold.
Fun.
So we can try we can try something here. Which one do you recommend we try? No, this one. Cold. Which one? Badong? Which one is badong?
This one.
Badong. What is badong? Which one is badong? Which one?
Bandung is roast milk,
Roast milk?
Yeah, milk they put inside the red color or thing like syrup. That one bandung.
Oh, but it looks red.
Yeah, look red color. They put a syrup red color one.
Oh, they put syrup. So
Yeah.
milk and syrup.
Yeah,
So it tastes like what? Tea or what?
milk.
It tastes like milk.
Yeah.
But it's cold.
But
Ah.
it looks very nice,
Yeah?
History, right?
Okay. We'll have to try that.
Get Nescafe.
You're getting which one?
Nescafe.
Nescafe. Oh, yours is very simple. Ah, very good.
Okay.
Very good, very good.
Okay, thank you.
All right, see you. So yeah, now I'm done with the Hoka Center, and the food was amazing. I really enjoyed trying that new food that I hadn't tried before. So you might be wondering, are there other options for, buying food? And the answer is yes. So there's obviously the typical grocery stores that you can opt for if you don't want to, go to the wet market or even buy your food from the hawker center. And so if that's the case, if that's what you're curious about, watch this video next, where I'm going to take you on a trip to shop in one of the grocery stores in Singapore. And that will give you a sense for what options you have. So watch this video next, and I'll see you there.